To add specific items to a receipt, start by selecting the receipt from the drop-down menu. The summary information, like the receipt number and date, will automatically populate. In the item description field, enter the name of your first item. You can then input the unit price and quantity. The subtotal and total for that line item are calculated automatically. If an item includes tax, simply enter the tax percentage as a decimal, for example, 0.15 for 15%. The app will calculate the tax amount and update the total for that specific item. Continue adding items until your receipt is fully itemized. As you add more rows, you'll see the running total at the bottom of the screen update to reflect the new balance. Once you've finished, click Save at the top right. Confirm the save in the dialog box, and your detailed item breakdown is now stored with the receipt.